Hi, I'm Amanda Cox-Zupan with LPT Realty, and we are here at 16899 East Lake Drive in Lakeville at an absolutely stunning custom-built house. And I just want to point out a couple things that I absolutely love about this house. I am so excited. This room is kind of an open concept living room, dining room, kitchen, and it is just spacious. It's super bright, super airy. It opens up to a second floor loft area with original barnwood from a barn in North Dakota built in the late 1800s, which I just think is a really cute historic element about this house. This is where, if you lived here, you would probably spend a majority of your time. It's just the gathering place. Other things I really love, there is this beautiful 2-story stone fireplace, which you can see is so cozy on cold winter days. This is the kitchen, which opens up to the dining living room area. I absolutely love this huge center island. We have beautiful quartz countertops. Imagine baking Christmas cookies here. You can see we have this beautiful dark wood cabinetry, 5-burner gas stove with hood range. There are just so many things I love about this kitchen. Hello, I live here. Come on in. This is a primary suite proper. We have vaulted ceilings, huge bedroom, really thick, luxurious carpet. We've got hardwood floors in the hallway that leads towards, wait for it, this incredible primary bathroom. We have so much storage in the cabinetry. We've got double sinks. We have a separate area that closes off for the toilet, and then this beautiful custom tile shower. It is large enough for you and all your friends. Now, this owner has created a second primary suite, which is almost unheard of. We've got a great little fitness area back here with a sauna, double French doors opening up to an absolute oasis. This massive bedroom has a huge walk-in closet, even bigger than the last. Plenty of space for a seating area. And the piece de resistance, this incredible bathroom with soaking tub. This is the second primary suite bathroom. We have this beautiful vanity with vessel sinks, gorgeous tile shower. So this beautiful blue tile shower. There is a raised platform leading to a fantastic soaking tub. All the tile work is custom. I didn't even know they made gold glitter grout, but they do, and it's right here. So we're in the upstairs loft bedroom. This is one of 4 bedrooms in the house. As you can see, very spacious. So this is another bedroom. We currently have it used as an office, but I love this room. It's at the front of the house. It is so bright and cheerful and airy. And look at the height of this vaulted ceiling. Okay, here we are at the historic Brandtjen Farms community. Couple things I absolutely love about this community, that it has retained the historic element of the original farm from the 1930s. So this barn that you see behind me is the original 1934 redwood barn, which has been completely and beautifully renovated into an event space. There's a gym. There's a gorgeous in-ground pool. The owner, Henry Brandtjen, was a wealthy businessman who lived on Summit Avenue in St. Paul and fled the city because of kind of notorious kidnappings where they were targeting wealthy families. So he moved all the way down to Lakeville, which at the time was just sprawling farmland, to protect his children. So I just think that's just a really cool backstory. But this community has so many amenities, and the monthly payment is super minimum. I think it's right around $100. It includes access to this beautiful community center. There's a second community center and a second swimming pool in the area. They do food truck Fridays here. There's a Facebook page where the whole neighborhood comes together as a community. They do porch decorating competitions. It truly is a community that is amazing to be a part of.